Y'all ready? Let's go, let's go. Hey, my connectors, welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, hit subscribe, join the family. If you like good food, it's the place to be. Come and have a little fun with your girl, KC. What's up, my connectors, and welcome back to the channel. So today, well, like I told y'all earlier today, if you haven't seen that video, I put out an acai bowl video when I was running errands. I did that. But anyway, so we got some seafood here. I'll tell you what we have in a minute. So if you are new to the channel, if you could please hit your subscribe button and your notification bell so you'll be notified when a new video is uploaded. Don't forget to share, like, and leave me a comment. I truly appreciate it. So yes, I have some king crab, snow crab, mussels, green lip mussels, potatoes, eggs, sausage. Is that everything? Probably, I think it's one more thing here. I forgot. Oh, and a lobster tail. So yeah, we're gonna jump right in and get started. Oh, I don't have no lemon, y'all. I totally forgot the lemon, but I got that lemon concentrate. Should I use that? I don't know about that. I don't know. I should have switched this around, shouldn't I? All right, so that way I don't have to keep reaching over and cross you, because I think my elbow's ashy, but I don't care. Whoo, I hadn't had potatoes in a minute. Ooh, that's hot. Hey y'all, I'm back. Y'all sick of me yet? That's good. It's hot too. Oh, that's good. I told Kiona to make me some Blove sauce real quick. You know how you get sick of people asking you stuff? I thought maybe she was gonna probably botch it or something. No, it's real good. She was like, it's sweet and spicy. Oh, come on through, girl. Dog, that onion good on there. She make it better than me. I can't lie. And she make it quick. I'm not the only thing she make quick. Everything else take her time, but this she gonna throw a sauce together quick. Let me get a little piece of sauce here. Just a little piece. We already know about the skin and stuff, y'all. So how y'all, what y'all did since I left y'all? Since I dropped y'all off at the house. What y'all was doing? Let's get this lobster tail first. Have we had lobster tail since they gave us that soft one? Girl, that seriously is good. You want to come over? You want me to tell Kiona to make us some more sauce? We gonna pay her. We gonna pay the girl, dog. This looks like a lot, but it's just one of each. I feel like I hadn't had it in a minute. I got sauce all up here. Ain't no kind of presentation. I just threw it in the thing. Oh. You cut these onions big. I like them like that. Y'all, that lobster was good. I should have put 2 in there, shouldn't I? I thought that would have been being greedy. I bet somebody say, honey, the whole plate is greedy. Listen. I don't know what day it is, but we ain't doing that. Tuesday, right? Today Tuesday? Then my phone dead. Is it dead? No, it ain't dead. Oh yeah, it's Tuesday. We ain't doing that. We don't argue on the Tuesday. So thank you to everybody that watched this acai bowl. That acai bowl is so good, y'all. I know y'all was like, why is you outside? I had to go get some stuff from the store, y'all. They say to go to the store and get out. That's what they say. That's what I did. I had hand sanitizer. I even brought soap in the car. Because you know you can get a bottle of water and then wash your hand. Alright, egg good. Salsa. What y'all want to hit next? A little crab leg. Yeah, child. So Kit was in here banging and doing stuff. I'm like, you know what? Let me just go. Do what I gotta do. Child, you can't tell him nothing, child. We almost got an automatic house. No, it's automatic, girl. The outlets. Oh, shout out to Jay. I think that was Jay that said her husband doing the outlets too. Girl, do your outlets light up when you walk by? You can't tell Kid nothing. Child, the outlets light up. Kid say stop playing with him. When you walk up the stairs, honey, the steps light up as you walk up the stairs. Girl, excuse me. We ain't even got stairs no more. He put an escalator in here. Most people have elevators in their house. Who house you know got an escalator? Stop playing with us. See what I'm saying? That's Project Kid, okay? He done put a whole escalator in the house. You step on one step, hit the button, take you all the way downstairs. I ain't lying. You ever seen people that lie with a straight face? I ain't lying. We gotta hope. When he get back, I'll tell him. I'll let him tell you. He might not want to tell y'all because he ain't padding it yet. He ain't put a padding on it yet. Yeah, child, we got a whole escalator up in our house, baby. Kid is not playing. Child, when you walk in the bathroom, you don't touch the doorknob. You don't touch the door at all, okay? The door automatically opens. Ain't lying. The door automatically opens. Then I say, well, dog, the light turns on. It's on a sensor. So when you walk in the bathroom, the door opens. It don't make that noise. It's real smooth now. I'm only telling y'all this because y'all ain't gonna tell nobody else, okay? I don't want nobody judging us. Okay, I'm gonna tell you about the bathroom. Finish telling you. So the door automatically opens. The toilet lifts up based on who walks in the bathroom. Ain't lying. If it's me, the seat does not raise, just the lid. But the actual seat does not raise, just the lid, right? And then it say, hold on, I'm finna tell you, baby, this house is this is futuristic, okay? I'm only sharing this with y'all because y'all family. Anybody else, I wouldn't tell them. So when you walk in the bathroom, the seat raises, the door open, the light turns on automatically. And then the thing says, hey, Casey. I said, I know you lying. Is that Siri, sister? Ain't sister say, because y'all know I'd be like, hey, hey. I say hey all day, right? So he program it based on what you say. They know who coming in the bathroom. Yep. And we conserve tissue because it automatically just rolls out. It's an automatic dispenser. Don't get mad at me because y'all house not futuristic now. I mean, get mad at me. I'm gonna put my wig down. Y'all know I just ran in the house. Put my stuff. Yeah, child. I promise this crayon apple. Ain't nothing else in here, I promise. Cause somebody gonna be like, Casey, I know it was in that cup. No, it's crayon apple. I'm just in a goofy mood today, y'all. I should have said disclaimer. If you're not here to have fun and laugh. Then I did post another video earlier today, okay? And if you don't want to see seafood, I got some fruits and berries that was posted at 3 o'clock, okay? I understand. I cater to everybody, okay? Ta-da! Somebody said, was that the grandson or the nephew? Or somebody said, the baby said, ta-da! Oh boy, y'all comments give me life. I'm just sweating. It screws everything today, y'all. But anyway, y'all. So the bathroom, get back to the bathroom. Y'all want to know about the whole house? I'll tell you. It's not bragging, okay? My husband is just keeping busy, you know, during the quarantine. He got different projects going on. And he liked the outcome. He'll be like, how you like the such and such? I'll be like, oh, that look good, man. I like it. How you like the new such and such I put in? Baby, you doing your thing, baby. Don't mess with my husband, okay? Not doing this quarantine, baby. His name is Project Kit. Alright, what y'all want to eat next? Oh, let's finish this leg. Hold on. Cause somebody gonna go off because I'm talking. Listen, if you don't want a lot of talking, I posted a fruits and berry mukbang earlier today. Okay. Happy Tuesday. So yeah, so of course y'all know the toilet automatically flushes. You don't have to touch it. Do not touch it. Okay. This thing futuristic over here, baby. Okay, then y'all already know the soap dispenser is automatic. You know that. You don't have to open the shower door. It automatically opens and turns the shower on for you. Stop playing with us. Stop. I'm gonna let him tell you about it. You better get you one, girl. You better get you one. Escalator, automatic bathrooms. I ain't gonna even start in the kitchen. I ain't gonna start in the kitchen. It's one big surprise in here. I wish I could tell y'all, but I know he ain't patting that yet. He working on that one. Oh, that's good. I'm gonna put a foot in this sauce. Girl, you did your thing with this sauce.
Oh, so you like it?
You just came down the escalator?
No. Dad asked, do you want anything from Chipotle?
Chipotle? No, I don't want no Chipotle today. Thank you, though. Thanks, babe. That was the robot who go out and get our food for us. We don't even have to go outside no more. The robot wasn't ready when I got, you know, ready to go to the store. Y'all laughing, but when I do the vlog channel, y'all gonna be like, oh my God, I thought she was playing. Cause she plays so much. I thought she was playing. Watch when the vlog channel come out. Then I show y'all all this stuff. Then you're gonna be like, oh my God, I owe her an apology. I thought she was joking. Mm-hmm. Sorry, the snow crab good. Alright, let me leave y'all alone. I eat my food. This video gonna be late. Well, not late, but it come out later. Mm-hmm. But yeah. Shoot. Oh, and then I forgot to mention this in the video earlier. Girl, while I was rewatching that clip, you know, with me and Kiona at the end. So if y'all didn't make it to the end of the video yesterday, the pizza, and y'all didn't see me boohoo crying like a baby, I was crying while I was watching that clip. I was like, come on now. Kid walked in the room and he was like, and why are you crying? He don't understand, child. Don't worry about it. Did I eat that potato? I bet you said if you shut up and just eat. Hold on. I thought I ate that potato. Ooh. That's about to be messy. Mmm. Oh, that ginger good. Mmm. God. She did that. Y'all love to get me slipping. Alright, so we ate them snow. Let's eat a mustard. Mustard! Who was that? Queen Beast was on Instagram talking about do not look inside of a green lip mussel. Or a mussel. I know that's right, girl. I liked her video was it yesterday? Her taco video when she was talking about it's okay not to be okay. I totally agree. It is okay not to be okay. Did I say this already? If I did, I'll just edit it out when I'm editing. But somebody said her boyfriend asked what was wrong with me because in one of the videos, my hair wasn't matching my cup in my shirt. I was like, that is so funny. I love him for that. I love him for that. Like, what's going on? I don't know where I put my scissors, y'all. So we're gonna go old school. Okay. Show y'all how to open a king crab without scissors. You just tear the rim off, right? It's supposed to just come out. Hold on. There you go. Okay, so you tear the top of it off. Just pinch it off. Tear it off. And then it should just slide out. Big old king crab. Ain't no lemon. It's okay. I think that concentrated lemon is too much. Should we try it? Y'all want to try it? I'll go get it. Oh Lord, don't worry about it. We finna get put out the futuristic house. Not bad. I think I'm squeezing too. I think I'm squeezing too hard. With them little bitty bites. These potatoes are so good, y'all. Yeah, so I'm gonna mess with Kit when he come back. I'm gonna tell him to tell y'all about his inventions in here. I have another egg. I must have been hungry. Oh, that looks good. I bet y'all say put the whole thing in your mouth. Hold on. Let's put a little squirt on that thing. I thought it was really strong and bitter, but it's not. That is really surprising. That's the only person I seen do that was Tamar. And I was like, ew, when I saw her do it. But now I see, it ain't a whole lot. It works better than a lemon. Looks like. That's a good variety. King crab, snow crab, lobster. It was really good. Now I may do a de-shell tomorrow with the rest of it. But that was delicious. Oh, you know what? Yeah, I'll do a de-shell tomorrow because I got another piece of king crab in the refrigerator. I forgot all about it. I hope it's still good. It should be. Oh man, this man and him. I should do him like he used to do me. When I would walk in his office, he would turn around and he'd be like, yes. And I always felt like, sometimes I felt like, am I bothering you? He was like, no, I just said yes. He was like, you read so much into everything. But I be wanting to say, yes, baby, come in, darling. But you know, that ain't his personality, so he just says yes. And he was like, if I say yes, then it just is, there is no meaning or no, you know, behind it. Y'all think it's a Capricorn thing? Reading too much into stuff. I don't know. That was good. These are some really good potatoes. Kiona picked these up from the store. I ain't gonna eat no more, y'all. I'm gonna be too full. I'm overdoing it with the potato. Look at my shirt. It's a mess. I'm glad y'all can't see it. So, ooh, dog, that knuckle was good. I seasoned that pot today. Get a little piece of that knuckle. I'm gonna save this for the D shell. That was good. Hold on. Y'all ever put something, you know, eat something and you be like, God, dog. Well, am I the only one who do that? I bet y'all be like, yeah, you the only one. You are the only one. Get a look. I should have made me a little potato. I bet y'all said, look at him messy. Sorry, y'all. That's really good. I don't know what finished the knuckle. But anyway, so thank you guys so much for watching the video earlier today, for watching all the videos, for leaving comments, for leaving thumbs up. I appreciate it, for having your post notification bells on. Thank you all for helping me get through this month. Like I said in the other video, I really appreciate it. With that being said, much love, peace, and blessings to each and every one of you. And until the next video, continue making connections with endless possibilities. I love y'all. Please stay safe. Bye, y'all. Welcome to the after party. After the party. Let's go somewhere and finish what we started. Y'all, that was good. That was good. I must have been hungry, but I ate. Y'all saw the bowl I ate. I don't know why I was so hungry. And usually I don't even eat. I eat a banana in the morning or I have like a green drink, but today I was hungry. So I don't know, maybe it increased my metabolism, increased my something. But I came here and I was like, baby, I'm hungry. But anyway, let's real quick. If you made it to the after party, hey after party crew, I love y'all. After party crew be coming through. First of all, they're my friends, first of all. All right, we're gonna do a little this or that in the after party. If y'all ready to go, I understand, child. Y'all probably sick of me. I done been on about 3-4 times today. But anyway, listen. So this is a this or that social media distancing edition. I got this off Queen Jones 92 on Instagram. So if that's you, thank you. It was in your Insta story. So the question is this or that. At home workout or movie marathon. Which one do you prefer doing this whole social distancing? Do you do like a workout? You make sure you work out every day, or you watch a movie every day? So pick which one. And then the next one is Netflix or Hulu. I think we got both. Do they come in a package or something? I don't know. I think we got both. Which I never watch them. I gotta watch them. I got 4 movies I said I was gonna watch. Do you prefer books or podcasts? I love podcasts. Do you have a daily routine or you just go with the flow? I don't have a daily routine yet. Nope, I sure don't. Let's see. Ice cream or chips? Kiona stopped buying chips, and then my family tell you she hid her chips because she said I eat the whole bag. So she got both of us an ice cream. Talenti. And so that's what we got, ice cream. So she won't let me get no more chips because she said I don't know how to stop. Okay. All right, so let's do. Okay, well, last one. Do you do hot bath or face mask? Sharika does a lot of face masks. I always see her do face masks. Or do you prefer just get in the bathtub and just take a hot bath with like your bath bombs? Which one do you prefer? So that's it. Just a little after party, little this or that for the after party. So anyway, tomorrow is the first day of April. I hope everybody has a great month. I pray that everybody has a great month. So we just do the best we can, what we have under the circumstances. Okay? Thank you all for telling me to stay safe. I did. I got in, got what I needed, and I got out. And I was not next to anybody. When I went and got my food, nobody was in there. And I understand what people are saying. You don't know if the employees have anything. You don't. We don't, y'all. You know, if I go get gas, I don't know if it's on the pump. All I can do is just take precautions and try and stay safe. And I hope that you all are doing the same. But I appreciate your concern and your love for me and your prayers. I really do. I don't take it for granted. All right, so we're going to go ahead and go upload this video. And see y'all tomorrow at 3. I love y'all. Bye, y'all.